Welcome to Innovin Foods. I'm Nahida with you. Today we are making a classic and comforting street-style deem paratha. Let's get started with this filling and flavorful recipe. In a bowl, add 1 cup of flour, add half teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix everything well. This recipe keeps you full longer, perfect for breakfast or lunch. Now gradually add 1½ cup of water. Stir into a smooth, lump-free batter. Did you know deem paratha is a favorite late-night snack across South Asia? It's believed to have originated from busy street corners in Kolkata. Let the batter rest for a while. In another bowl, break in 2 eggs. Add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion, 1 green chili, half teaspoon salt, and half teaspoon red chili powder. Add 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Adding egg to paratha make it a complete protein-rich meal. Now grease a pan with a little oil. Pour the batter in pan and spread evenly. Always cook on medium heat to avoid burning the outer layer. Use non-stick or cast iron pans for best frying result. Fry both sides until golden brown and cook through. Take it off the heat and keep it aside. Now add 1 tablespoon oil. Pour the egg mixture and immediately place the paratha on top. Chop onion and chilies finely so they cook quickly in the egg. Using minimal oil makes it a healthier version of the traditional recipe. Let it cook and soak up the egg. Eggs are packed with protein and essential vitamin. Fry both sides until golden, crispy and full of flavor. Whole wheat flour can be used for added fiber. Your street-style deem paratha is ready to enjoy. Have you ever tried making deem paratha at home? What do you like pair it with, sauce or salad? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Foods for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching Innovin Foods. Until next time, stay safe, stay flavorful.